So today we're gonna show you how to disconnect the swivel seat sensor to avoid the noise, that alarm. So if we
wait, should we show the noise first?
yes, that's what I'm gonna do.
Do you want me to
You're
turn
not turning it. Put it on. Okay, there we go. So when the ignition is in position 2, as soon as you unlock the seat, you hear that noise. You hear the alarm, and the alarm's coming from somewhere. I can't figure out where it's coming from, but it's pretty loud. So if I put it back in, you don't hear the alarm. Then there's also this handle to unlock the seat, the locking mechanism.
Wait, let me get down to the handle.
The handle here, the yellow one. As soon as you move the handle, there you go. It triggers the alarm. So what we're gonna do is, I looked around to figure out where the sensor was, and it seems to have to do with this guy here, the unlocking mechanism. And on the internet we read something about trying to unplug this green plug. There's a green and there's an orange. We're not quite sure what each one does, so we're just gonna try the green one, and it's not that hard to unplug because it has a little push tab here. There you go. So that's it. Here's a little push tab right here, as you can see, and that causes this to come out. So we're still on the on position. I move the release button, nothing happens. So release and turn, and voila, no more sound.
Good job.
Thank you. And can you see the dashboard, if there's any warning lights, or does it show anything? Just start the engine. So passenger door, let me close that. Here, let me show this. Okay, so now you can see the dashboard. Everything looks fine. No warning lights, nothing.
So we've got to turn the chair there.
Oh yeah, turn the chair. Okay.
Chair turned.
Chair turned. No warning lights. Here you can see part of the blue, of the green, and then there's the other part. Also here there's this yellow one. I don't know what it does. So since this solves our problem, we're gonna stop at this point.
Thanks for watching.